What's up, babes? It's Monday. Everybody hates Mondays. When you work at home, all the days kind of blend into one day. So you don't hate any particular day. You just vaguely hate them all. No, you don't. Anyway, Typewriter Series number 423 today. Special guest, teenage soccer Sarah. She likes this poem probably. Here's your wee paper. Looks like this. It's a shade of yellowish beige. Nobody really likes that color. Here's your poem. I like this poem, though. This one sells a lot of prints, too. So if you're in the print buying mood, go buy this one. The words "I love you" were stuck inside, knocking on the door to my throat, asking politely if they could come out to play with you today. For those 3 words, I decided to take down the door and instead put up a window that I will always, always leave open. Shades of Peter Pan in that one, kids. I love you a lot. Have a cool day. Stay cool. It's supposed to be a hot one. And go listen to my signal fire from yesterday. It's on tylernot.com. And share this, because no one reads these or sees these anymore. I love you a lot. Peace.